Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to make your own OEM logo. So to view your current OEM logo, go into System Properties. Mine is Gateway. You might not have this, but you generally should have it. So to make this you can use Paint or Photoshop or any other image manipulating program like Photoshop, Paint, GIMP, Paint.net, all those sort of programs. I'm going to use Photoshop. New. Now, generally you want this is why I'm using Photoshop, because you generally want the background to be transparent. You want it 96 by 96 pixels. It doesn't really, you don't have to do this, but I suggest saving a preset of this as OEM logo if you're using Photoshop, because it makes it a lot easier to make logos and stuff. You can save the PSD Photoshop file to modify the one logo if you want, but I'm not going to in this tutorial. So when it loads up, it will look like this. Zoom in a bit. In this tutorial I'm just going to be using text, but it's pretty much like any other photo or image manipulation. Just do stuff on it, and yeah, so it'll be like that. Now that's just that I'm just going to use that for this tutorial. Actually, might modify a bit more. Where's it there? I'll use that color. Now just save it. I suggest making a folder somewhere calling it OEM Logos. Now if you want, you can just save the PSD or /pdd Photoshop file, but you don't have to, because if you want to modify the one logo over and over again, you kind of have to, but for this tutorial I'm just going to save it. If you're using Photoshop, you want to save it as BMP, or you want to save it as BMP anyway. Doesn't matter if you use lowercase extension or not. I'm just going to click save. Now this, you want it to be 24-bit. 24-bit is also in Paint. I will make a tutorial on how to make an OEM logo in Paint if it gets requested. Make sure Windows 24-bit. Okay, and that's saved. So now go find the folder you made with the logo, and see that's what I made. Now when you just straight look at this, it doesn't look like it's transparent, but all the white will not be there when it's up. So make sure you keep this open, or you can just click on this bar and copy the URL. Then go and open Registry Editor. Now yours will probably look like this. Just close hkey class as root and open hkey local machine. Software, Microsoft, and find Windows. There it is. You want current version, then OEM information. Easy way to find out if your computer system has this folder is type O. If it doesn't, it will probably go straight to OOB or optimal layout. If it doesn't, it's pretty easy. Right click on current version, create new key, and then just add the logo. I have another tutorial on how to modify the OEM information, so if you want to modify it, watch that. So when you got the logo, if you have to make this, make sure it's a string value. When you got the logo string value, paste the URL you copied, and then make sure it has the .bitmap file extension on it. Doesn't matter if it's capitals or not. Then click OK, and then go back into system properties to check it worked, and yep, it worked. So mine doesn't actually look like it's still doesn't look like it's really transparent, but it is transparent, so that worked. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.